Welcome, Dangers! So for today's video is another sexy panty lingerie haul review, G-string review, panty, underwear, sexy lingerie, ulit-ulit na lang, ganun. So yes, for today's video is another sexy lingerie haul and review. If you are interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, as I've said before that ito yung nagbibigay ng buhay sa aking channel. Of course, hindi pwedeng mawala yan. Parang kanin. Diba? Alright, for today's sexy lingerie panty haul is color black. My favorite when it comes to underwear is color black. Para din makita ang lago mga day. So, yung gusto ko mag-film ng panty. Kita pulan kay ko mag-film. Alright, so, charan! Very see-through. Look at that. See-through. And very yummy. Very yummy. Kasi yummy talaga naman yung mga see-through panty dyers. Transparent panty, sexy panty, and it's color black. This is the overall design of the front. And look at that very elegant lace with a combination of pink, neon pink, fuchsia pink. I don't know how to call that color, but it's so very pretty combination, diba? And the lace, look at that. Medyo yung lace niya is not that good quality, but I think this will do for a good and affordable price of a panty, like 60 pesos. Maganda din naman. And yeah, the very see-through. This is the front. And I like the design of the front tires. Diba? Look at that. And the back is just that. It's a low-rise panty. So, kung mahilig kayo sa mga hipster like that, ganyan. Very nice to. Kung gusto nyo lang pa-hipster yung dating ng underwear nyo, very nice siya. Medyo maano niya yung tummy nyo talaga, dyers. And ito is, ano lang siya? Cotton. It's a cotton sa butt area. Ayan. Yung magbibigay ng ka-sexiness dito is ito. Itong very see-through sa front. And of course, the design and the color combination, diba? Oh, diba? Look at that. Very sexy. Very elegant. Pretty talaga yung ano niya, dyers. Front niya. And meron din siyang, itong dito sa private area niya is a cotton. Which is good. Kasi private area yan eh. We need comfortable cloth sa private area. And yeah, good quality for 60 pesos only. From an online store, Shopee. Thumbs up. And yeah, I love this. I surely wear this underwear. Talagang makikita nyo to sa halayan dyer, sa sampayan. Talagang susukin ko to. Ever. Alright, so this is it. Pansit yung ating luncher for today. Pwede din naman tong pang honeymoon, diba? Pwede din naman tong pang-akit. Pang-akit. Kung mang-aakit-akit ka na timsong. Timsong na yun sa ating lingerie haul, yung mang-aakit talaga, no? Hindi. Talaga namang meron tayong mga sexy time, diba? Mga bebe time. Sexy time, baby time. Meron yan. Huwag nyo namang sabihin wala. Kasi, napaka-ipokrita nyo naman kung sabihin yung wala kayong sexy time, diba? So, pwede din naman to. Kasi, oh, look at that. Kitang-kita pa rin ni partner yung excitement dyan, of course. So, bawal sa mga underage. Minors not allowed. 18 plus. Diba? So, pwede din naman tong pang-akit. Sa mga jowa nyo, hindi sa jowa ng iba. Hindi sa jowa nyo, ha? Pwede din tong pang-akit sa mga boyfriend nyo, sa asawa ng kapitbahay mo. Joke. Dapat sa asawa nyo lang, diba? So, ganun. Pwede din to. Pasok din to sa banga itong, itong panty na to. Kasi, diba? So, yeah. Tatanungin ko yung asawa ko kung gusto nyo din ba to. No? Para to na yung, susuotin ko pag sexy time. Ito sa baka, boog! Buwang dahil kag bayhanak ka. Boog! Ano, pag-amaw. Aminin, gustong-gusto mo yun. Diba? Gustong-gusto nyo yung mga lalaki kayo. Pas! Anong ba yung capital letter M? Milyonaryo. Diba? Mutana ka sa bana. Pwede rin pang sexy time. Buwang pang bayhanak. Alright, thank you so much for watching for today's sexy lingerie. Hopefully, nakasubscribe ka na kay Inday Kuradang para for more panty. For more pang-aakit. So, yes, thank you so much. Sana makita ko kayo sa aking comment box. And of course, sana makita ko rin kayo sa aking next video. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to support by liking and subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button, the subscribe button below. And yes, automatically subscribe ka na kay Bisaya Youtuber. Thank you so much and see you na lang sa ating next video. Bye!